this is Nilu. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tutorials and tips for web developers. Whether you are a beginner or experienced coder, there is something here for everyone. Let's code, learn, and grow together. Today I'm going to teach you how to use position in CSS. For this purpose, I have a sticky position, a static position, relative position, absolute position, and fixed position. Okay, let's start with some styling for each of these elements. I added the class named box, and I want to have a style for each of them. So I am going to write the class with width 100 pixels, height 100 pixels, and I need a padding 20 pixel, and I need a border 4 pixel solid red. Okay, up to now we have 5 elements, and we want to change the position of each of them. Okay, let's start with the static. Static is the one that is always static. When you define an element, the default is a static. As you can see that each of these are now a static position. Static position means that it is all from up to bottom in a flow that you can see in the HTML, and it's not something that's very special. So I just add static class, and maybe add some background color to something like light blue. Okay, and as I said that the position of all the elements are static, so it is default, but it's completely useless to write the position as static in here. If I comment it or uncomment it, there's no change in the flow. Okay, the second one, I'm going to talk about the relative. So relative is something like you write position column relative, and it change the position related to the static position of the comment. So we have relative, and the position is relative. And now if I add, for example, top to 20 pixels, look at the change. Top to 20 pixel for the relative. Why we don't have any change? Position. Okay, I just have a typo in here. Okay, as you see that now 20 pixel is down from the static default position of the element. So relative just gives a position related to the static position that we already had for the element. Now just add a background color to, for example, light green. Okay, now I want to go to absolute position. For the absolute position, we need to have a parent for the element, because in the absolute position it changed the position of the element related to the container. So I add the absolute container, and also the parent needs to have a position, so it shouldn't be the static position. I change it to the position relative, and also I want to have a height for this to just show to you in a better way. And I need the background color, for example, light gray. Okay, you see that it is the parent of the position. So for the absolute position, I'm going to add the position absolute, and top to, for example, 10 pixel. You can see that it's changed according to the parents. Its parent, for example, I want to have left of 30 pixel. Okay, and after that I'm going to add a background color of light coral, for example. Now I am going to talk about the fixed position. Okay, in fixed position we have just a fixed position for the element related to the viewport. What's a viewport? For example, this part, all the page is the viewport. Viewport is the view that the user can see each time for the screen. Okay, we add position fixed and button, for example, 30 pixel. Now we can see that according to the viewport we have 30 pixels from the bottom, and for example I want to have right 10 pixel. As you see that it goes here, and for just showing you that it needs some scroll, I'm going to add a div in here and add style of height of 200, for example, pixel. Now we can see that by scrolling, the fixed position is always fixed in this screen. And the background color to be light pink. Okay, now the last position is a sticky position. Sticky position is more like combination of relative and the fixed position. It is fixed when we scroll the position and it just stay in the place, but on the other hand, let's just write it sticky. The position is sticky. Okay, and I have top of, for example, 0, and I want to have background color of light yellow. Now as I scroll, the top is 0 and it stick to the place. For example, if I change the top to 10, pixel, it stays in the place, but as I scroll, it stays like this. What's the if I change it to fix this way, what does it change? As you can see now, it just go out of the flow. This is the difference. It goes out of the flow when I change it to fix. The other element don't see this element, but when it is the sticky form, the other elements see this element, so they gives the a space to it, but when I scroll it just remain the position. Okay, this is all the position in the CSS. They are very useful, and if I want to prioritize them, I go with absolute first, fixed and sticky maybe in the same place, and then relative, and the static is the default one. Okay, thank you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Yeah, I really need your support. Thank you so much. Bye.